I've just set off, 5:15 AM, official start time. It is very cloudy and foggy today, so I'm glad I didn't get up an extra hour earlier for the sunrise, because there would not have been one. Morning sheep! Hi! But, feeling pretty good. I know this piece of ground. I'm just going to Corndu over there, which is amazing. I'm only 36 minutes in, so I'm doing alright actually. Quite surprised by that. I can see it! Any fun? I'm so happy right now. Woo. Well, that's Pen y Fan done. 1 hour 24 minutes, 4 miles. 1 hour 24 minutes. I gave myself 3 hours to climb Pen y Fan. I can't believe I've just done that. I'm feeling really good, really energetic and awake and alive. So 3-hour drive now to Cadair Idris. I made like 3 turkey bagels this morning to keep me going throughout the day, so I'm just having one of them because I'm starving after that. However, I've just put the Cadair Idris car park in my map and it's only saying 2 hours, and I had planned, I thought it was 3 hours. So I'll be starting Cadair Idris at 9 AM. So I'm very ahead of schedule, which I'm not complaining about. So it's 9:30, I've just set off my second mountain, Cadair Idris, 893 meters. It's actually really cool to be climbing this mountain again, because this was my first ever solo mountain 18 months ago now, January 2020. And it's crazy to look back now at myself then compared to now, because I went up with no navigation. I don't really know which way to go now. Very little food. I ran out of battery. I got lost. I ended up 10 miles away from my car. I have no idea where I've ended up. So yeah, it's really good to be doing this one again, and hopefully this time I won't get lost. So Cadair Idris is actually only 7 meters higher than Pen y Fan, but it just feels so much bigger because you've got steeper inclines and a bit of a trickier path. 7 meters, that's it. That's like 2 of me. Oh no, maybe 3, 4. Still going. Don't know what I'm doing now. I can't see anything. Ah, help me. I'm pretty sure that it's just at the top of this little hill thing. I've got no energy. I need to get some food in me when I get to the top. Oh man, this is tough. I'm so tired. I'm pretty happy with that. 3 hours 35. Cadair Idris is a long slog. It's like the never-ending mountain. I'm starving, so I've got a bagel and some fruit and some energy drinks and stuff, so I think I've got about a 1 hour 10, 1 hour 20-minute drive to Snowdon now, and then do it all over again. I can't wait. I'm really excited. Here we go, Snowdon time. I'm actually really excited for this. This is the one I've been looking forward to most all day. The weather's great, it's not too hot. The summit looks quite clear at the moment. I'm just pretty happy, if I'm honest. I'm sure I won't be saying that in an hour. Energy is definitely waning now. My legs are okay. My lower back is pretty sore and my knees are starting to twinge a little bit. This makes me sound very old. I'm just quite tired now and I feel a bit sick, which is my body's way of telling me it's had enough. Still got a bit of a way to go yet. Funnily enough, looks like we're going to have a hat trick of no views, so that's fun. Really struggling now. I just feel so sick. So close. This is one of the hardest things I think I've ever done. Don't know how I did that last hour. In a lot of pain now, but I'm just gonna slowly make my way down. I got to the summit in 1 hour 55, but I waited 15 minutes for a group of people to move so I could have my moment, which it was really disappointing. Like after this whole day, getting there and then just having to wait was like, but I got there in the end. That's all that matters. So 4 miles, 2 hours 12, and I'm heading down. Well, I did it, just about. I have no idea how I managed that last hour up to Snowdon summit. It was just pure pain. I just wanted to either throw up, pass out or cry for like an hour. I don't really know how I feel right now. It was an amazing challenge. I would really recommend it if anybody fancies pushing themselves. I think the most difficult thing for me was just not having any views on any mountain, which was really disappointing because today was meant to be a 17-degree sunny day, so I thought I'd chosen a really good day to do it on. So it was really sad to not get any views, especially at Snowdon. But regardless of the views, it's been an amazing day. I didn't really start flagging on energy until the last hour. I think I did really well with keeping hydrated and getting loads of food in me. So yeah, really good challenge. If you've stayed with me till the end, thank you for watching. It means a lot. Oh man, really? Please don't hurt me. Well, I'm done. There's the car park. Just hit 8 miles, 3 hours 50, and I am so tired. I'm gonna go get some pizza and go to sleep, and I'll work out all the timings and stuff in the morning, but I I can't do anything else right now. My brain is so dead. So yeah, I'm done. Yay!